I call this my folder of doom, and this is where all the papers live until I can do something with them. And today, that's exactly what I'm going to do. And if you've got your own folder of doom, then carry on watching, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Hi, I'm JoanieB, inviting you to relax, play and make beautiful Gelli print art with me. So the question is, what do you do with these textured papers that you're not very happy with and they're just sitting in the folder of doom? Well, one thing you can do is to put another layer on, and I don't know how this is going to go, but let's have a go and see what happens. I'm going to use this. This is Turquoise Blue by Art Studio. So I've cut some shapes out of this is Melamar, just plastic sheeting. You can buy it from the internet. It keeps on working. This is just a piece of paper as well, so you could use that if you've not got some plastic sheeting to work with. But once you've cut the shapes out with the, is it Mylar? I think it's Mylar. There you go. Let's put something in the middle. Will that go? No. Okay, let's leave it like that. And I'll just go over this, which is pretty boring. And let's see what happens. Okay, so that is a little bit more interesting than what it was before. Yeah, it's shapes. Just put it over there, and probably can get another pull from that. Let's go with this one. Put rather a lot of paint on, so hopefully I can get 2 pulls from it. Okay, so that's not as in your face as the first one, but I rather like that one. A little bit more subtle. Yeah, let's take these off. Righty ho, let's try some of this. This is pastel blue. Put a little bit more on than I usually do, and hopefully I'm going to get a couple of pulls with it. It's a really pretty colour, this. And it's actually, the plastic is Mylar. I don't know what the heck I said before, but I'm sure I didn't say the right word. But then again, I do have trouble with talking and demonstrating at the same time. I do have a problem with that, so please excuse me if I made a mistake. Oops. Move that away from there. And just grabbing these, I'm not thinking or overthinking too much what I'm doing. But then again, that could be pretty obvious. Let's go with this one. That's quite a dark one. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Yes. Hurrah! Going to go over this one, see what happens. Oh, I like this bit here. That's really, really nice. Okay, good. Well, this is really just, it's just getting rid of the paint. So that's really quite nice. I'll clean this down again. So I'm going to go with this, this is Pale Olive, which again is by Art Studio. Go with a really dark one now while this is a light colour. As you can see, I'm not planning anything. I'm just picking up pieces of paper, picking up these sort of shapes, putting them down and just using some acrylics that I've got hanging around. So we have that. That certainly is a huge step up from the original background, I think anyway. Let's see if I can get another one. This is a very pale colour. Will that go over the top, do you think? Let's try. I like to use this, it's called a barrel, but not everybody has one of these and it's not essential. You can use your hand to push it down. I have a problem with my hand, which I'm having an operation on quite soon, but again you can use your brayer as long as you press it down firmly. So that's very subtle. Let's take these off. Just going to go over it again with the green. Let's try this. Lots of people are really worried about trying things out and ruining what they've done, but I always say the same thing, it's just a piece of paper and you learn what works and what doesn't work, and if it doesn't work, well, you've learnt something and it's just a piece of paper and a bit of paint, that's all. In the scheme of things. That's complex, isn't it? Let's see what we can get on here, if anything. Very subtle. Let's try this. This is still very light. There we go. Just get rid of this. I think I'll just do a half-time review, see what we've got, because they might all change in the next few minutes. Okay, that's where we're up to so far. Now I'm going to get out my absolute favourite, Payne's Grey, again by Art Studio. So I got out my folder of doom and got some papers that were just lying there waiting for me to do something with. And as you can see in this video, I've got some really interesting textured papers now. So these are, some are not like, some are like this that are not absolutely fantastic, but there are areas that are. Some are a little bit subtle, some a little bit bold, and some very bold indeed. But these were sitting in my folder of doom, and now I can definitely do something with them. And in the next few videos I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do with them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you get your own folder of doom out, and I'd love to see what you do with them. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you again next time. So it's bye for now. Bye bye.